Hello students, welcome in the class. Today our topic is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense indicates an action which is in progress at the time of speaking or at present time. Means when the action is continue in the present time, then it comes in the category of present continuous tense. Like right now I am speaking, so it come in the category of present continuous tense. You are listening, all these words come in the category of present continuous tense when you find any action continue in present. The helping of this tense is are and. Is used with singular subject, are with plural subject, and am with I. Now see the affirmative structure of this tense. At first, we use subject, then helping verb, which is, am, are, first form of verb, ing, and at last, object. You can see the example. We are speaking. We means hum. And this is plural. That's why we use are here. We are speaking. हम बोल रहे हैं. Second example, he is going to Agra. He means वह. And this is singular. That's why we use is here. वह आगरा जा रहा है. Now see the negative structure of this tense. Subject is are, not, first form of verb ing, and object. Remember, we use not just after the helping verb. See the example. Rohan is not doing his work. Rohan is singular. That's why we use is here. And not just after the helping verb. Rohan is not doing his work. Rohan अपना काम नहीं कर रहा है. I am use not here just after the helping verb. I am not writing a letter. मैं एक पत्र नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. You use am with I. Next, see the structure of interrogative. As you know, there are two types of interrogative. First, which starts with helping verb, and in Hindi, it starts with kya. So the structure is are means helping verb, and then subject, first form of verb, ing in the verb, object, and at last question mark. Question mark is compulsory in interrogative sentences. You have to remember that we use helping verb before subject in the interrogative sentences. Example, is she eating the food? Is helping verb and she means वह, and it is singular. That's why we use is here. Is she eating the food and question mark. क्या वह खाना खा रही है? Second example, are they playing? They means we, and it is plural. That's why we use are here. Are they playing and question mark. क्या वे खेल रहे हैं? Second type of interrogative is interrogative word, helping verb, that is am, are, subject, first form of verb, ing in the verb, object, and in the last question mark. You can see the example. Why am I plucking the flower? And question mark. You can see why. Why means होता है क्यों. And this is an interrogative word. That's why we use in the beginning of the sentence. Why, then helping verb am. Why am I plucking the flower? मैं फूल क्यों तोड़ रहा हूँ? Second example, what are you doing? What means क्या? And it is also a interrogative word. So we use it in the beginning of the sentence. What are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हो? Now this is a kind of homework for you. So at first you have to solve this page. Pause the video, solve the page, and then match your answer. Okay? Now let's start. गीता खाना बना रही है. Change into English. Geeta is subject. Geeta, and it is singular. That's why we use is here. Geeta is. खाना बनाने की इंग्लिश होती है कुकिंग. गीता इज कुकिंग द फूड. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल, मेरे पिताजी कहाँ जा रहे हैं. सो कहाँ, इट इज अ इंटेरोगेटिव वर्ड. इंग्लिश ऑफ कहाँ इज वेयर. सो वी यूज वेयर एट फर्स्ट एंड देन हेल्पिंग वर्ब. मेरे पिताजी सिंगुलर है, दैट्स व्हाई वी यूज इज हेयर. वेयर इज माय फादर. जाने की इंग्लिश होती है गो एंड ing इन द वर्ड. वेयर इज माय फादर गोइंग एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क. दिस इज कंपल्सरी, रिमेंबर स्टूडेंट्स. वेयर इज माई फादर गोइंग. थर्ड एग्जाम्पल, तुम मेरी मदद नहीं कर रहे हो. नहीं, दैट मीन्स इट इज नेगेटिव. तुम की इंग्लिश होती है यू एंड वी यूज आर विद यू. यू आर नॉट बिकॉज इट इज नेगेटिव. यू आर नॉट हेल्पिंग मी. मदद करने की इंग्लिश होती है हेल्पिंग और मेरी के लिए मी. यू आर नॉट हेल्पिंग मी. नाउ देयर आर सम अदर एग्जाम्पल्स विच यू हैव changed according to the direction. I am taking the tea. Change in interrogative. So the structure of interrogative is first helping verb, then subject. So we have to use am in the first before subject. Like am I taking the tea and question mark because it is interrogative. Second is they are talking. We have to change it negative. So use not just after the helping verb. Here they are not talking and question mark in the end. Last one is she wearing sari. It is interrogative sentence and we have to change it in affirmative. So the structure of affirmative is subject then helping verb. So you have to use is just after she. She is wearing sari and full stop because now it is affirmative. I hope it's clear to you. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.